Birds are plump. Had a 4 or 5 day rest. Who wants to see these birds fly? No, I did too, but it's windy weather. Was gonna fly them today. Stuff the hawks. Gonna give it a go, but it's too windy. It is too windy. As you can see, birds recovered from that crazy flight, the hawks. That one's plump again. That one thinks it's boss again. It's all good. Definitely would have flown them today, but crazy wind. Crazy wind, so I just can't fly them today. But there'll be 9 hens and 5 boys. Due to one being eaten up there. But I did chuck a brick in there, smacked it in with a hammer. No one's coming in now. So yeah, once this 9 starts flying again, hopefully tomorrow, get them back up there. That tippler flies like a bloody Serbian. Crazy. That blue just stays up like a dot, hovers. That black, small black, nuts, just like its bloodline's been. Crazy flyers. That one impressed me. That's good. Even the silver did great. That's good. So I should have 14 instead of 20 flying. But I guess it's the best of them.